The JBL Stadium GTO620 is a 6.5-inch two-way component speaker system positioned as a premium upgrade over factory sound, promising dynamic range, strong mid-bass, and smooth highs. With JBL's well-known brand reputation and sleek design, it's marketed towards serious audio enthusiasts looking for clarity and depth. But while it looks like an attractive package, there are a few reasons the set might not live up to expectations for every buyer. First, the mid-bass response is underwhelming. Despite having a carbon-injected +1 woofer cone, the GTO620 struggles to deliver punchy and controlled bass, especially in factory door panels without proper damping. The frequency response feels light in the lower mid-range, which can leave your music sounding thin unless you supplement it with a subwoofer or make significant enclosure modifications. Second, they're extremely power-hungry. These speakers are rated at 85 watts RMS and need a solid, clean amplifier to wake them up. Running them off a head unit, even a premium aftermarket one, produces lackluster volume and weak dynamics. Without a dedicated amp, they won't perform at their full potential, leaving many users disappointed with the return on their investment. Third, the tweeters can sound overly bright or harsh. While they are detailed, at higher volumes the highs become piercing, especially in vehicles with reflective interiors. This isn't easily fixed without a proper DSP or EQ tuning, and users without tuning capability may find the sound fatiguing over time. Fourth, installation isn't as flexible as it should be. The component system includes large crossovers and tweeters that aren't easily integrated into tight factory locations. Without custom fabrication or modification, installation becomes frustrating, especially for vehicles without dedicated tweeter mounts. This adds time, cost, and complexity that many users weren't expecting. Fifth, they don't scale well with more advanced systems. For the price, you'd expect room to grow your system around them. But once installed, they tend to bottleneck the clarity and depth of higher-end builds. Users looking to evolve their setups often end up replacing these sooner than expected. In conclusion, while the JBL Stadium GTO620 may offer respectable clarity and branded appeal, its weak mid-bass, bright highs, power demands, and installation complexity make it a mixed bag. For casual users, it's likely overkill, and for audiophiles, it may not go far enough. Proceed with caution if you expect premium sound without significant system support.